Okay, I've got your second question here now. And so the information that we're given in this question is that the mean speed is 72.6 miles per hour. And your standard deviation is 4.78 miles per hour. Okay. So if we're being asked about vehicles traveling slower than 80 miles per hour, our z-score is going to be the difference between 80 and 72.6 over 4.78. So if we work that out as a z-score, first of all, then I get a z-score approximately 1.55 rounded off. Okay. So what that's telling us is that for the normal curve, we are 1.55 standard deviations above the mean. So if you look that up on your z-score chart, and I don't have the z-score chart, I forgot to put it on this video, but if you look it up at 1.55, I get 0.9394. Okay, so if you get probability equal to 0.9394, oh, 9, I missed one there, sorry. Try that again. 0.9394, then that's giving you a probability of 93.94%. And I think that the problem with your answer is that you got it, but you rounded it off too much. It asked you to respond to 2 decimal places, and so I think it wants you to put the 93.94 in there. So I think that's the problem with part A. Now, I'm not really clear from your question which ones on here you are having trouble with. I'm also not clear if this is a marked quiz, and if you're receiving marks for this, I can help you get started. I can't do it all for you. So I wonder if you could just email me back and let me know the answer to those questions, and if there's more on this question that you're having difficulty with, if you could identify for me which of the questions you're unable to do, and I'll provide you with some more help. Okay? Thank you.